It's there. I'm guessing there's going to be a motherboard of some sort in here. So it might be worth the value of a peripheral board or something. I guess it's kind of like a router because it has like the LAN WAN connectors and everything. So yeah, just like I said. So we got this little peripheral board, at least I'm assuming board sort gives that much for this. I guess it could be considered a telecom board, but I doubt it. So looking here, so for the gold people, some gold in here, definitely gold in there, in here, little USB port, always gold in here. These connectors, from the looks of it, you can't really see them because they're small, but there's gold in here. Obviously we have the monolithic capacitors, there's plenty of them on here for people who collect them. The IC chips and whatnot, so pretty simple board. I'm probably just gonna give it to board sort as is, because don't have too much time for stripping things apart. Well, there you go, nice little board. Some big monolithic capacitors on the back. This one has a lot of monolithic capacitors. So people who collect them should be happy with this. We got that. Some steel here. Plastic scrap. I have another little speaker for people who buy and resell the speakers. Another little one here. Connector. So we have some more screws in here. I see there's another little board there. It's right in here. This is where all the keypad is. So there's another board there. Maybe some silver or something for the people who collect the keyboard. What are they called? The keyboard thingamabobs. Forget what they're called. But, maybe there's one of those in there too. Alright, so from the looks of it, nothing too special. Board wise. There you go. So, well, yeah. So there is some nice gold here on every button or pressy thingy. So this is a nice little board. Probably a peripheral. Great for people who want to process or extract the gold. You know, cut them up in the strips and plug them into your acid or whatever process you use. And there's just a little membrane thing and some plastic. Throw that out. Wires or ribbons aren't anything special. Sometimes they have gold on the tips, but this one does not have any gold, so throw it in the miscellaneous wire pile. Some more wire here.